In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Todoist tasks into your Notion pages to create a seamless workflow that enhances your productivity. If you've been using both Todoist and Notion separately and you're looking for a way to integrate tasks from Todoist onto your Notion pages, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and take this step by step, ensuring you achieve a smooth integration. To begin, open the Notion page where you'd like to embed your Todoist tasks. This could be any page that you're using to organize your projects, tasks, or ideas. Once you're on that page, you're going to type in a command to initiate the embedding feature. Simply type in / followed by the word embed. You should see a few options pop up, and you're going to select embed from this list. This command helps you bring external content, like your Todoist tasks, onto your Notion page. Next, let's switch gears to Todoist. Open your Todoist application or navigate to the web version. From here, open the project whose tasks you want to display in Notion. This could be anything from a work-related project to a personal to-do list. Once your project is open, look for the Share button. It's usually located near the top right or sometimes within a menu, depending on your version. Clicking this will open up options on how you can share your project. Here, you're going to click on Copy Link. This action copies the shareable link of the project that will be invaluable for the next steps. Now, head back over to your Notion page. You have your embed block ready, and you just copied the link from Todoist, so it's time to paste that link into Notion. Once you have pasted the link into the embed box, look for a prompt or button that says Embed Link, or sometimes simply Embed. Click on it, and this action will integrate the Todoist task into your Notion page. As a result, you should now see your Todoist project displayed within your Notion page. This embed allows you to view and interact with your Todoist tasks directly in Notion, which is particularly useful for keeping all your planning in one place. By doing so, you reduce the need to switch back and forth between applications, saving time and keeping your workspace organized. Remember, you may need to adjust the view within Notion or refresh your page if things don't look exactly right immediately. But don't worry, embedding projects generally resolves any issues quickly, and you'll be on your way to coordinating tasks across both platforms smoothly. This process not only helps consolidate your task management, but also makes sharing updates with your team easier if you're collaborating in Notion. Embedding Todoist tasks can be particularly powerful for those who use Notion as a central hub for organizing work, brainstorming, and managing projects. Keep experimenting with it to see how it best fits within your workflow. Thank you for watching.